So I have this parsley plant growing. I actually planted parsley last year in spring and it gave us a lot of leaves and we kept pruning it and kept using it. And then somehow one of the plants ended up in this planter. And this is the second year of the same plant. And now you can see that it has bolted. Parsley is a biennial plant. That means it produces seeds in the second year. So this is the year that it is producing seeds, and then after that it will die. So I'm going to save the seeds of this plant, and I'll show you how it's done. So about 4 weeks have passed, and you can see that so many of the flowers have opened up. So in that same stem, most of the leaves are gone and flowers have opened up. And it is quite long from here. And slowly they will all convert into seeds, and that's what we'll save. Some of the leaves you can see there. So our parsley flowers have started converting into seeds. All of these. And slowly they'll dry up and we'll collect it for the next season. And this is what I call sustainable gardening. You start with some seeds, you grow your plants, you leave your few plants to make seeds, then you collect them, and next season you don't have to buy seeds again. You start from the seeds you collected. If you look at these now, they are like completely dry, they are brown. So I'm going to cut these, and same thing here, because if you wait for too long, the seeds may just scatter. So I'm going to leave them inside in a shaded area and let them dry. And once they are completely dry, we can remove the seeds from the stems. So these seeds have been drying for last 2 weeks inside, and now they are completely dry. So we can just rub the seeds off the stems. But I'm glad that I got so many seeds, because parsley seedlings are difficult to grow. So if you have more seeds, you can plant more and at least a few will grow. So in the next season now, I don't have to go out and buy parsley seeds. I already have so many seeds. This is a great way to do sustainable gardening. You buy some plants from somewhere or you grow them from seeds, but at the end of the season, always save the seeds so that you are ready for the next season. You don't have to go out and buy seeds again. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.